Hey guys, welcome back to Level 6 Math. I'm Mr. C with our Saxon Math lesson number 72. This is a little bit of a review this lesson, but we're going to add one new thing to it. So we're going to look at our fractions chart. This is just to remind us how we can, the process we go through to solve different fraction equations. And then we're going to do multiplying 3 fractions today instead of we've done 2 up to this point. So we're just going to change that a little bit. So first, let's review how do we solve fraction equations. The first thing we do is we write the problem in the correct shape. So if you think shape starts with an S, that's going to help you with this. Then we perform the operation O, and then we simplify the answer S. So if we look at that, it's SOS, which if you need help, you send a signal call SOS for help. That's what we're going to do. So shape, operate, simplify, it's our SOS. When we shape, we write the fractions with common denominators, and we put them in fraction form. Then if we're adding and subtracting, we just add or subtract the numerators. If we're multiplying or dividing, if we're multiplying, remember we learned how to do canceling, and we're going to do that today with multiplying 3 numbers. If you're dividing, you find the reciprocal. So remember, instead of dividing by a fraction, you always multiply by the reciprocal. Once you've done either of those things, then you just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. So you do that for both multiplication and division because you've changed that now back to a multiplication problem. Then when you're done, once you have your answer, you need to reduce your fraction, and in some cases you convert it back to an improper fraction. Or convert improper fractions back to mixed numbers. That's what you would do. All right, so to multiply 3 or more fractions, we follow the same steps. We write the numbers in fraction form. We cancel terms, so just like a normal multiplication problem, we're going to cancel terms first, and then we'll simplify if needed. So here, we're going to change first to improper fractions, so we need to change this. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So we'll change that to 8/5. Then we can cancel out. Now this is cool, we haven't done this before. If we look at it, 2, 8, and 3, 3, 5, and 4, we're going to look for different things that can cancel. Now with 8 and 4, that reduces to 2 over 1, so we'll cancel those out and put 2 over 1. Here we've got a 3 and a 3, and so we can cancel those out and make it 1 over 1. Again, it doesn't matter the order. If we find a numerator, any numerator, that can cancel out with any denominator, we do it. Then we just take what's left. 2 times 2 times 1 is 4. 1 times 5 times 1 is 5, and we've got 4/5. We can't reduce that further, so we're done. And that is it. That's the whole lesson. So you're just going to practice multiplying 3 fractions, canceling them out, so reducing before you multiply, and then after you multiply, reducing it if needed. So that's the whole assignment. Good luck.